Oh, hello guys, good afternoon. This is RC Wena. Makimarites muna tayo kay Derek Ramsey na yung kanyang pinapanigan si Pernilia about doon sa problema nila ni Pilmar. Ay, tawag dito. Ayan, pakinggan natin. Makipagmaritesan muna tayo.
Ayusin mo ang problema mo sa asawa mo. Unahin mo yan. Tama ka dyan. I could sleep in the same bed with Pernilia and my wife would not doubt.
Ayan yung kismisan ngayon.
To tell you the truth, I really think she should sue. People can bash me, I don't care.
Hi, Derek.
Ayan yung pakinggan natin.
Anyway, ayan, syempre, Derek, pasensya ka na. Dahil alam ko naman kaibigan nyo si Pern, oo. At ha?
Kilala ko rin si Andy. Nakatrapaho ko na si Andy eh.
Si Andy, oo, kilala mo rin si Andy. So, anong pagkakakilala mo kay Pern? Bakit? Kasi kawawa si Pern ngayon, parang binabash ngayon, pero si Ellen at si Derek, pinagtatanggol siya.
Natural, kasi nasa tama at sa mali kami. Okay, tahimik kami sa umpisa, but seeing now all the negativity, all the lies, all the threats, may mga threats, and seeing the slow destruction of our friend's life, na she's hiding in her room with her boyfriend. She's happily in a relationship, ha? At alam ng boyfriend lahat.
Alam ng boyfriend yung friendship ni Pern at ni Filmar.
Let's get all the facts here kasi, again, this is not being biased. Nasa tama at nasa mali ako. Now,
Ano yung nasa mali ka, Derek?
ang mali dito is irresponsible posting, acting on emotions without thinking. Just jumping the gun. Sorry, Andy. I'm sorry. Hindi ako ano sa'yo, ha. This is, for me, you should have not have done that. Kung galit ka, inaiintindihan ko yun. Nasa kultura ng Pilipino yun. Mali na nagpatattoo sila together. Mali. She's a foreigner. She didn't do it with intent to hurt Andy. She didn't do it with the intent to steal, which is now a chismis, diba? Na inaagaw, pati ako nga. Sinasabihan ngayon, nadamay na kami ni Ellen, na pati ako, Ellen, mag-ingat ka. Agawin si Derek. So doon, magsasalita na talaga ako. Andy, mali ka. Babae ka, hindi kita awain. May respeto talaga ako. Pero magsasalita ako. Mali yun. Kung galit ka, magalit ka. May karapatan kang magalit. Harapin mo. Una, harapin mo. Asawa ba? Hindi ko alam kung they're married, engaged, or basta they're together.
Engage.
Ang unang ayusin mo, yung partner mo, yan si Filmar. Ayusin mo yun. Huwag mo ilagay sa publiko. Because you don't know, like the action that you did without thinking, you didn't even consult a human being. You consulted because you don't know how a post like that can really destroy somebody. Ang nakakainis pa dito, nag-comment na finally, nag-statement na finally itong si Filmar. And what does he say? Okay na kami. This should all have been handled in private. Sana okay na rin kayo. Hindi ako okay. Kasama ako dun sa kayo. Kasi yung kaibigan ko na kaibigan mo rin na matalik, sinaktan mo, hindi ka man lang mag-apologize. Pero inaamin mo sa statement mo na mali nga. This should have all been handled in private. So why don't you have the decency and show some respect to Pernilia and clear her name? Pernilia feels bad about the tattoo thing and she reached out. She did. She reached out to apologize for that. But what is the chismis going around? What is the news? Na inagaw, na ganito. But then there's a follow-up by Andy saying that there was no cheating, it was betrayal. Fine, if you feel betrayed, again, may karapatan ka to feel that kasi may pinagsamahan din kayo ni Pern. Then handle it with Pernilia, face to face. Why did you do this? You hurt me. Agree ako dun sa kanya. But to post it and not say anything, and then now okay na kayo, may videos, may ano na, they're having dinner together as if nothing happened. Ano yun? Meanwhile, this poor lady is hiding, afraid for her life because she's getting threats, afraid for her family who live abroad, and what's going on? Now she's getting blamed for even the relationship of Filmar, or his first relationship. She has nothing to do with it. They lived in France. Kaibigan ka si Filmar, pumupunta ka kay Pernilia kapag may problema kayo ni Andy. And she is there with you, for you, open arms to listen to your problems. Multiple times. Hindi ko ilalabas kung ano yung mga problema. That's not not my business. But you reach out to your best friend, your so-called best friend or sister. And then this is how you handle it. You just think a post saying, hey, okay na kami. Hey, Andy, of course,
Diba?
si Bern, she's not okay. She's crying her eyes out every day.
Talaga?
She's a very private person. Her mental health is so affected. She was a brave woman. She is a dear friend. She's close to me and Ellen. I can sleep in the same bed with Pernilia and my wife would not doubt. That's how close we are to her. So, tunay na kaibigan si Pernilia and she proved that to Vilmar and even to Andy by not even making patol, by going out and speaking the truth. But ako bilang isang kaibigan na nakikita ko yung kaibigan na nasisira na, umiiyak na, napapastos na, pati yung boyfriend nasasaktan na. Kasi yung boyfriend, tagat Siargao, all his relatives are there, he's even worried for them. To the point na iimbestiga na kung ang status ni Pernilia, which she is legitimate, her papers are all straight. But imagine, for her to go through that, they investigate kung legit siya dito, legitimate ang stay niya dito. She's a permanent resident. She loves the Philippines. She has chosen the Philippines over her country. I cannot sit back here and my wife and I spoke about it and nadamay na rin kami. My children are going to see this. Her children are going to see this. It's irresponsible posting. Don't act on emotion. Think before you speak. Think before you act because the repercussions can be so big. I'm not trying to cause a fight between me, my family, Andy, and Vilmar. Nandun ulit ako sa tama at sa mali. Which Vilmar, excuse me for using this term, would have the balls to be a man. Magpakalalaki ka. Ayusin mo ang problema mo sa asawa mo. Unahin mo yan. Tama ka dyan. Pero wag mo pastusin yung tao na tumulong sa'yo sa lahat ng problema mo. Ipagtanggol mo yung tao. Sabi mo okay na kami. Ayusin mo. Pakita mo na talaga na okay. Ikaw okay ka na. Diba? Paano si Perna umiiyak? Kasi puro na lang paninira. Gigising siya. Yan na lang na mababasa niya. Hindi siya makalabas ng pamamahay niya. We live in a world of bashers. It's just like people love to bash. Get the opportunity to bash. And pwede mo sabihin, if you're mentally strong like me, people can bash me. I don't care. But not everybody is like me. And for me to talk to her every day and she's crying and crying and crying and crying and crying. Sinabi ko sa kanya, mali yung ginawa mo sa tattoo. Pero naiintindihan ko, it's a cultural difference because she's not from here. But she's willing to accept that and apologize for that because the intent, okay, mali ka, she's wrong. She says she's wrong. She understands that. But the intent was not to hurt Andy. The intent was not to steal her husband. Her intent was not to betray Andy. Vilmar runs to Pern. It's not Pern running to Vilmar. Again, if they have problems in every relationship, we all have problems. Even my wife and I have problems. But we don't post it out in public. And I wish, these you bashers, I wish you would take time to understand. You can really destroy someone. And for me, sorry, Andy, what was your intent with all of this? Because right now I'm believing, Andy, your intent was to destroy Pern and hurt Pern. An eye for an eye, kumbaga. Kung nasaktan ka, and I get it, you're hurt. You were wrong. I agree. You were wrong. But not just by Pern. I think Vilmar plays a bigger role in that wrong as a man. Because bilang isang lalaki, kung ako nasa sapatos niya at meron akong best friend na babae at sinabihan ako ng best friend ko na babae, magpatato tayo, ganto, ay hindi ko gagawin yun out of respect to my wife kahit na may problema kami. Pambabastos na yun sa asawa ko, di ba? Pilipino tayo eh. And again, I stress, Pern realizes her mistake there, even if it's a cultural difference. She understands that she was wrong and she wanted to talk. She messaged and she reached out. Yes. We also messaged Vilmar. Siya pa yung naghingi na kay Vilmar, please, you need to make a statement about this. Imagine mo, your so-called best friend, siya pa, yung babae pa nag-reach out. Sabi ko, Vilmar, para magpaka ng statement, anong sinabi mo? I know, yun lang. And then ang sasabihin mo, pare, is okay na kami. This should all have been handled in private. Sana okay na rin kayo. Wow, inumpisaan niyo to. Tapos biglang ganun na lang. I'm very, very upset, Ochi, because again, I'm mentally strong. She is not. What if she takes her life? She can't handle the bashing. She's a private person. I know her. She is a dear, sweet woman. A woman I can trust with my kid. A woman I can trust with my wife if they go on a girl trip. I know they're not going to do anything crazy. I have a very small circle of friends. She's included in that. And for me, again, hindi kita kaaway, Andy. Hindi kita kaaway, Vilmar. Ang inaano ko lang, mali yung ginawa nyo. Andy, You shouldn't have posted and said what you said. You should have handled that in private. Filmar, the problem, you got a tattoo with Pern. That's 80% your fault. And for you not to have the balls to stand up and say, this is all on me. I wronged my wife. Unahin mo asawa mo. I wronged my wife and I wronged my friend. And then maybe I will have some respect for you. Because I understand Andy, she's wrong. She was wrong. And she acted out of emotion. That's her mistake. And she was very irresponsible because she has a lot of influence. She has a lot of clout on social media. I mean, to tell you the truth, I really think Pern, she should sue. She can't go to work. She hasn't been to work. She doesn't feel safe to go outside because maybe the fans of Andy and Filmar will attack her. She's getting messages left and right na siya, pati I'm one of her best friends, pati ako na yan. May picture. Kami nadadami. If you read the comments, they're horrible. Mag-ingat ka, Ellen. And mababasa ng mga anak namin to. Anak nila, if may problema ka within your family, then this is private.
It's a
Because
leaks.
you are going to look stupid
Come
at
on.
the end of the day. And
It's
you
a leaks
put
only
this
that
all
one.
out, and then the week after, you'll post
Come
a
on.
picture that you're
If
in
you don't like them,
paradise
then
with
just
your
go
mahal.
there.
I mean no disrespect,
cannot
but
get it.
and it's really, really hurt for my friend. And I will stand by. If my friend is wrong, my friend is wrong. And I told her mali nga yun sa tattoo. Mali yun. Sa Pilipinas tayo mali yun. And she accepts that.
Pero anong sabi ni dun sa tato kung mali siya? Ano bang pagkakaunawa ni Pern doon sa pagpapatato with Filmar? Friendship yun. Tropa.
Yeah, it's strictly friendship. Again, Pern is in a very happy relationship. To everyone that doesn't know, she's deactivated her account because she cannot handle it anymore. So enough, magsasalita na rin yung boyfriend kasi hindi na rin kaya. Iyak na rin yung lalaki. Hindi na rin makatrabaho ng maayos yung lalaki because he's concerned about his girlfriend crying at home.
Si Pern ba ay dito na nakatira sa Siargao? Mas pinili na niyang tumira dito sa Siargao?
Yes, she loves the Philippines. And if anybody who knows Pernilia will say the same thing I'm saying about her. So, for me, she went through a dark period in her life. She was brave like my wife and did something about it. And she found her peace. And she fell in love with Siargao. She started a running club in Siargao for health and fitness. She loved the island. She found the love of her life. They're living there. Very simple life. Walang gimmick, walang inuman, hindi yung pumaparty. She wakes up at 4 in the morning. They run. She works. She goes home. She's in bed by 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the evening. That's Pern. Pern is also the type of friend if I call her and I need her, she'll fly right over. Kahit walang pera, she will fly right over. You know, the tattoo thing, it's the meaning of friendship. They've known each other for so long. Before Andy, yung mga videos na pinapalabas nila that makes it look like may nangyayari between them, yung nagyayakapan sila after a race, it's because of one friend to another, you're proud of the success na tumakbo ka ng 20 kilometers, 30 kilometers, nagawa mo yun. I'm proud of you, my friend. Yakap. But then they make it look like something is going on. Diba? May competition si Filmar, she'll be there to support. May competition si Pern sa takbuhan, she's there to support. So it's a friendship thing. Ang mali, she should have consulted with the partner, right? Mali niya yun. Pero para sa akin, bilang isang lalaki, dapat ikaw eh. Hindi mo inisip yung tao mo, makikipag, kahit sabihin mong best friend nga kayo, diba the intent is, pero
So, ayun guys, magbababay na tayo. Yun muna ang ating pakikipagmaritesan dun kay Filmar. Kay Andy at saka si, Pern. Yun, nakisaw-saw si Derek kasi best friend nila si Pern. So, yun guys, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. This is R7 saying goodbye and God bless.